everyone, it's Konstanz from the Rock Springs Library, and I'm back here again for another segment of Create with Konstanz Summer Reading Edition. Now, last Friday on Stories with Sunny, Miss Sunny read 3 stories that all pertain to either wizards or fairies. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to make a wand out of nature. So let's get to the supplies. For today's project, all you will need are some wand-sized sticks, some long grass or string, and then some nature items. I have some leaves, some flowers, some various grasses. You can put anything you want on there. And if you have extra yarn or ribbon or even feathers laying around, you can also use those as well. So the first thing we're going to do is pick out a wand. Alright, next we are going to grab some of our nature items. Then once you have your nature items picked out, we're going to go ahead and use either string or a long piece of grass to tie them onto your stick. You can go ahead and continue to add nature items onto your wand if you wish, or you can even make more wands. There's one wand done. So if using the long grass is either too difficult or you couldn't find any, you could also use either string or tape. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So just like I would with the long grass, I'm just using the tape in order to secure my nature items onto the stick. Another way that you can use the tape is by laying a piece of it out with the sticky side up, and then you can put your nature items on top, and then once you're done, wrap that around the stick. Alright, and there you have some nature wands. Feel free to add any other decorations you'd like, such as beads or ribbon, yarn, colorful string, even feathers if you have it. But truly, the possibilities are endless with these nature wands. Alright, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed making your nature wands. Feel free to share your creations with us on Facebook. And while you're at it, go ahead and tune into our other Facebook programming that we have going on all summer long. Don't forget, we also have different grab-and-go bags at each of the 3 libraries, and they change weekly, so feel free to stop by to join in on all the fun. As always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you back here again next Thursday for another segment of Create with Konstanz. Bye!